In this video, you'll see how you can utilize M-Files for working with digitally created documents like Excel or Word, digitize paper documents like forms, purchase invoices, or signed agreements, and store key email correspondence into M-Files. After, we'll unfold some of the exciting innovations in M-Files related to finding documents, modifying documents, retaining versions, and even visually comparing changes made between edits. Also, we'll cover the workflow feature of M-Files, which may be used to automate any imaginable work process. A key element in M-Files is that because it is integrated as part of the standard My Computer interface of Windows, people feel instantly familiar with using M-Files. You can save any application like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or any other, saving your files to the M-Files vault. The beauty in M-Files is that instead of figuring out physical folders, we simply apply a few properties for each document during the save operation, like for this proposal document, which makes the document appear in all relevant folders automatically. Additionally, we can utilize this information for naming documents automatically. Let's click OK, close the document, and check in the document as well. Now the document is added to the M-Files vault. In addition to saving editable files like Word, we can very easily capture keys directly from Microsoft Outlook, for instance. Also, documents into M-Files like this form couldn't be any easier. We can use any of our existing scanners and make the scanned document full text searchable in the M-Files vault with just a few clicks from the scanner. One of the most powerful tools of M-Files is the finding capability. It's studied that office workers average using 16% of their time in searching for information. This time is used not only navigating to documents, key emails, and paper documents, but also consulting colleagues. With M-Files, you can use all this time for productive by simply typing in any search tokens that come to your mind, and you find the matching documents immediately independent of the document location. The search covers not only the document properties, but the document contents as well. Another exciting method for locating documents with M-Files is using dynamic views. As every document has its properties applied, we can navigate to the very same document through different views without ever duplicating the document. For example, we can find the same proposal document navigating through the customer, as well as through the project, or possibly through proposals by year and month, as different criteria may apply to the document. And remember, it's always the same document, not a copy. M-Files also eliminates the confusion of who's working with any individual document, allowing people to check out a document when making modifications. Meanwhile, all colleagues see this, and they are only able to view the document. One of the biggest M-Files provides for your organization is the full traceability of documents. M-Files records automatically who made a change and what the changes were. And with Microsoft Word documents, you can even visualize those changes very easily. The workflow features of mFiles, you may model, streamline, and automate any work process like managing contracts or approving purchase invoices. For each state, you just define the actions that are relevant and let mFiles manage the process for you. These actions might include assignments or notifications to people. As in this case, Kimberly gets an assignment when there's a new purchase invoice added to the mFiles vault. The actions also may include changing the access control of the document, or even automatically applying a retention policy by deleting the document after a certain period of time. Like in this case, after a purchase invoice is set to the paid state, the document is automatically deleted after 7 years. Let's go from Kimberly's perspective and see what happens as there's now a new purchase invoice added to the mFiles vault. First, let's pull up her email inbox. Email. And Kimberly has a direct link to the particular purchase invoice. Also, Kimberly can see the invoice in her Assigned to Me view. Kimberly verifies the validity of the invoice and sets it to the next state, checked, waiting approval. And again, now the managers group received the next assignment. Even though the file didn't change, as it's a static scan, we still have the audit trail available. So finally, as you can see, mFiles is an intuitive tool providing endless possibilities. Please get in touch with us and we'll tell you how we can make your organization more efficient. A key point to remember is that mFiles lets people work the way they're used to working. We're looking forward to hearing from you.